The 11th generation Toyota Corolla set a new benchmark in the compact sedan segment during its production years. It combined everyday usability with subtle design evolution, making it more appealing than ever before. Built to meet global standards, this generation reflected Toyota's commitment to long-term dependability. From city streets to highways, it was engineered to deliver consistent performance and comfort. With millions of units sold worldwide, it reinforced Corolla's position as one of the best-selling nameplates in automotive history. The 11th generation Corolla introduced a noticeably sharper and more refined exterior compared to its predecessor. Its redesigned front fascia featured a wider grille that gave the car a more confident road presence. Sleek, swept-back headlights enhanced visibility while adding a premium visual touch. The sculpted hood lines flowed smoothly into the body, improving both aesthetics and aerodynamics. A longer wheelbase not only improved stability but also contributed to a more balanced side profile. Depending on the trim, alloy wheel options ranged from 15 to 17 inches, adding a sporty character. At the rear, redesigned tail lamps, including LED options in higher variants, created a modern signature look. The integrated bumper design and subtle chrome accents elevated the overall sophistication. Carefully defined character lines along the doors added depth and motion even while standing still. Improved body rigidity enhanced structural strength, contributing to both safety and driving confidence. The 11th generation Corolla received a significant interior upgrade, focusing on comfort and practicality. Higher quality soft touch materials on the dashboard and door panels created a more refined cabin atmosphere. The ergonomically designed seats offered improved lumbar support, making long drives noticeably more comfortable. Increased rear legroom and better seat cushioning enhanced passenger comfort, especially for families. The dashboard layout was clean and driver-focused, with clearly positioned controls for effortless usability. Higher trims featured a touchscreen infotainment system with Bluetooth connectivity and steering-mounted audio controls for added convenience. A well-insulated cabin, efficient climate control system, and thoughtfully designed storage compartments completed the practical yet comfortable interior experience. Enhanced sound insulation reduced outside noise, creating a quieter and more relaxing drive. Improved material fit and finish gave the cabin a more solid and premium overall feel. The 11th generation Corolla E140/E150 delivered a refined driving experience built on reliability and efficiency. Engine options varied by market, with 1.3-liter, 1.6-liter, and 1.8-liter petrol variants designed for smooth, dependable performance. These engines focused on steady power delivery rather than aggressive acceleration, making the Corolla ideal for daily commuting and long-term ownership. In selected regions, diesel variants provided stronger torque and improved fuel economy for highway drivers. Transmission options included a 5-speed manual, a 4-speed automatic, and in some markets, a CVT for smoother gear transitions. The suspension system was tuned for comfort and stability, effectively absorbing uneven road surfaces. Steering remained light and predictable, ensuring easy maneuverability in city traffic. On highways, the Corolla offered stable cruising and confident handling at moderate speeds. Combined with impressive fuel efficiency and low running costs, the E140/E150 reinforced its reputation for durability, simplicity, and stress-free everyday driving. Between 2013 and 2019, pricing for the 11th generation Corolla varied depending on the market and trim level. The base variants were competitively priced, making them an attractive option for first-time buyers and daily commuters. Mid-level trims added more convenience features, offering a balanced mix of affordability and equipment. Higher trims included alloy wheels, upgraded infotainment systems, advanced safety features, and premium interior touches. This wide trim range allowed customers to choose a model that suited both their budget and lifestyle needs. Maintenance costs remained relatively low compared to competitors in the compact sedan segment. Even today, used 11th generation Corollas maintain strong resale value, largely due to Toyota's long-standing reputation for durability and reliability. Strong parts availability in most regions further reduced ownership concerns. Its consistent market demand helped it retain value better than many rivals in the same category. The 11th generation Toyota Corolla proved that practicality doesn't have to mean boring. Reliable, efficient, and globally recognized, it continues to stand as a smart choice even today. Its balanced combination of design, comfort, and dependability keeps it relevant years after its release. For drivers seeking long-term value and peace of mind, this generation remains a dependable option. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video, share your favorite trim in the comments below, and subscribe for more in-depth Toyota content.